Hello students, today we discuss the new topic voltage divider rule. Like current divider rule, this rule is applicable for finding voltage across any branch connected in series. So let us consider a series circuit consisting of two resistors R1 and R2 connected across a source of supply of strength V. So total current I is flowing through the circuit. Let here voltage drop is V1 across R2, voltage drop is V2. This voltage divider rule based on Kirchhoff's voltage law. Likewise, your current divider rule is based on Kirchhoff's current law. So, according to the properties of series circuit, V is equal to V1 plus V2 and current I is equal to current flowing through resistor R1 is equal to current flowing through resistor R2. For finding V1, you compare total current I with current flowing through R1 and apply Ohm's law in this equation. What is the total current? That is total voltage divided by equivalent resistance of the series circuit. And IR1 is V1, this V1 that is the voltage drop across R1 divided by R1. What is R equivalent? As according to the property of series circuit, resistances are added. You know that in series circuit, resistances are added. So, this R equivalent is R1 plus R2, V1 by R1. From this, you get the voltage V1 is equal to total voltage V into the resistance of that branch whose voltage is to be calculated divided by total resistance connected in series. This is equation 1. Then for finding V2, you compare the total current with the current flowing through R2. Total current, here how I find V1, like that here also you find V2. It is V by R equivalent and current flowing through this R2 by using Ohm's law, it is V2 by R2. In case of series circuit, resistances are added. This R equivalent I put R1 plus R2 is equal to V2 by R2. So here you get V2 is equal to total voltage into resistance of that branch. We want to calculate voltage divided by total resistances connected in series. Equation 1 and equation 2 represent voltage drop across R1 and R2 if they are connected in series by using voltage divider rule. So what conclusion we get? According to voltage divider rule, voltage across any series branch is equal to total voltage into the resistance of that branch whose voltage is to be calculated divided by sum of the resistances connected in series. So this voltage divider rule, here you understood that voltage divider rule is applicable for that circuit where resistors connected in series for finding voltage across any of the series branch, and it is based on Kirchhoff's voltage law.